What do we call the medical procedure of cutting into the body to repair or remove damaged or diseased parts? What is the name of the medicine used to relieve pain? What do we call the medical device used to listen to heart and lung sounds? What is the name of the process where a patient's blood is purified by a machine, used when kidneys fail? What do we call a medication that is used to treat bacterial infections?